Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt Atomic Compact Series. These are the new impact wrenches that they have. This, I know my store is one of the only ones that have this, so I'm lucky to have that store, lucky to have this tool here. This is one of the new buy one get one free. So you buy this for $1.99. You get a 5 amp hour battery for free. So you got the DeWalt Atomic Compact Series, where size meets the power. It says 28% more compact, 300 pounds mass fastening torque, 450 breakaway torque, DCF921B. Specifications here, we got no load speed, 0 to 2500 RPM. You got drive, half an inch drive, 13 millimeter. You got impacts per minute, 0 to 3550 impacts per minute. You got fastening torque, you got speed 1, 150 pounds of torque, 203 newton meters, speed 2, 300 pounds of torque, 406 newton meters. Max breakaway torque, 450 foot pounds. You got 610 newton meters. It says tool length 4.95 inches, so almost 5 inches. 126 millimeter. You got tool weight 2.47 pounds, 1.1 kilograms. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, you got some instructions here. So it's DeWalt instructions. We got the belt clip here, so we're gonna put this on. So pretty interesting the way they built this. This is really compact, as you guys do see. It's flush with the pretty much the trigger here. So yeah, as you guys could see my finger, it's flush with this, all this front part. And then this back part is pretty much flush with my hand too, if you guys see that. So that's a pretty compact tool here. Alright, so you got 20 volt brushless. It says brushless there. You do got some settings here at the bottom. You got mags and bolts. Those are the two different ones. We do have some different speeds here, speed 1, speed 2. And then we have like a light button there on the left. Try LED, so 3 different LEDs. So you got DCF 921 half an inch compact wrench. It says type 1, 20 volt max. We already read the other stuff in the box. And then this come with the little tag here. We're gonna take this off. At the bottom we do have 4 different connectors. We got use only with DeWalt 20 volt batteries. You got DeWalt Industrial Tool Company, MD, made in China. You got some nice vents here on the side. You guys see some vents there, vents here, and vents here, up here. No vents on the back. I guess you can grab the tool like so, like that. Pretty much fresh out of the charger. So this is a pretty nice tool here. So I do like the way they incline the tool this way, because the battery doesn't get in the way when you're doing ramps and stuff like that. Usually like that, 90 degrees. So you guys see the battery kind of moved a little bit back. That's a plus with these hand tools. You always want to have something like this when you're removing those lug nuts and stuff like that. Total tool length is 4.95. I'm just gonna do a rough estimate here, because there's I'll say about 3.73. So 3.1 for the base of the tool, 2.57. So 2.57 on the width part of the tool. So body of the tool is 4.2. Alright, and just for size comparison, we do have the 887. This is the DeWalt 887. You guys see the difference here? This is already very compact, but you guys see how short that thing is. It's a little fatter. Looks like it's fatter on the head part, not by a lot, but it's a little fatter. All right, let's go outside and test this out, see what this does. All right, guys, we got a 29mm socket. This is a really big socket, as you guys see there. Pretty nice, and we got perfect size for this. All right, let's start at 150 pounds. $153. £200. $213. $250 foot-pounds. $250.4. So pretty good, guys. It does 250 pounds. It struggled a little bit, but it did it. As you guys see, it only took 2 or 3 seconds to get it loose. 250 pounds, very respectable for the size. It was on setting 2, by the way. All that was on setting 2. Let's try setting 1. So you guys did see, that's what happened. We're gonna put it in the screw mode. Screw mode there. Loosen it up. Stops. So it lets you know when it's tied up, and then it just continues to hammer down on the screw mode or bolt mode. Alright, we're going to do speed 1. Alright, speed 1. I gave it about 4 or 5 seconds. So it took about 223 pounds, 0.9. We're going to do it again. We're going to give it 5 seconds. Stir it out. Alright, the next one we got is 108 pounds. £116. Speed number 2. Alright, so speed 2 was 237.7 foot-pounds. $186.4. $180.4. Alright, let's try this different screw mode that it has right here. We're going to see when it clicks on the first time. We're going to lose it in it first, and then we're going to tighten it. So we're going to lose this. Okay, it's already loosened. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten it. Alright, we're going to measure the first click, but it's actually the second click. We're going to see what that is. Or the second click, however you want to say it. We're zeroed out. I say that's pretty good because it's only 26 pounds, 26.2. That is very safe for your nuts and bolts. So this is a really great precision point tool if you want to do delicate work for your nuts and bolts on the engine bay that are smaller. You can go to the screw mode, and it should tighten just perfectly. So we're going to give it a little bit more to the second or the third hammer, see what it does. 1, 2, 3, go. We're in screwed mode. We did about 158.5. You know, wood lag, however you want to call it. We're just gonna do it, see what it does. I'm gonna give it a couple more seconds. Alright, it did 203.4. Alright, so I do gotta say that it's a pretty nice compact gun. It's really powerful for its size. It's probably one of the most powerful out there. It's probably not the best, the most powerful, but I really do like it. I really like the DeWalt hand grip, the rubber, everything, the size, very compact, very small here on this, you know, from here to here. I do like the screw mode that you're able to do on your first click or on your first hammer. You could say that you're only doing 26 pounds for delicate work. That is, I do appreciate that. And you've got a speed 1, speed 2. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.